Hey woodworking tool enthusiasts! Welcome back to DIY Tools and Equipment. Today we're covering 20 must-have tools for beginner woodworkers that will set you up for success. Whether you're just starting your woodworking tools for beginners collection or building your first workshop, these beginner woodworking tools are essential. From power tools like the miter saw and table saw to hand tools every beginner needs, we've got everything covered. These tools for beginners will help you tackle any woodworking project with confidence. Let's dive into the 20 must-have tools for beginner woodworkers that professionals recommend. Every precise woodworking project begins with accuracy and control at the router table. The Woodpeckers SF Pro router table fence is engineered for ultimate precision and flexibility, setting a new standard in router table performance. It features micro-adjustable in-feed and out-feed fences, each with a 32-pitch control screw advancing just 1 32nd inch per revolution for pinpoint accuracy. The laser-engraved scale and hairline indicator ensure exact fence positioning, while large elevated adjustment knobs make fine-tuning effortless. Equipped with a 2 1/2 inch or 2 1/4 inch dust port, self-aligning T-nuts, and sacrificial aluminum fences, it delivers clean cuts and superior dust management. Perfect for precision routing, joinery, and professional woodworking projects. Accuracy and precision are vital for every woodworking and joinery project. The Lee Valley Veritas layout squares are expertly crafted tools designed for fine layout work and exact measurements. This set of 3 aluminum squares, 1 1/2 inches, 2 1/2 inches, and 3 1/2 inches, offers lightweight, pocket-sized convenience with laser-etched imperial markings in 1/16 inch increments for lasting readability. Each square includes a protractor scale for angular measurements, offering 10, 5, and 1 degree increments respectively. Their relieved inside corners ensure perfect seating on stock, while dual base extensions of 1/8 inch and 1/4 inch allow accurate marking of mortises and edges. Ideal for joinery layout, woodworking, and precise angular measurement, these layout squares bring professional accuracy to any workshop. Precision, safety, and smooth control are essential for perfect woodworking cuts. The JessEm Clear Cut TS stock guides take your cutting accuracy to the next level. Designed with angled roller bearings, these guides automatically steer your stock tightly against the fence for cleaner, safer, and more precise cuts. The spring-loaded roller arms maintain firm surface contact, preventing kickback and ensuring consistent feed pressure. With CNC Machine 6000 series aluminum construction and an anodized finish, durability and quality are guaranteed. Easy-to-use anodized clamping knobs allow quick adjustments along the guide track. Ideal for table saw, precision cutting, stock control, and woodworking safety, this premium accessory enhances every professional's workflow. Achieving a flawless wood finish requires precision tools and expert control. The Fulton Cabinet Scraper Burnisher, with 6-piece multi-shaped card scraper set, delivers everything you need for professional-grade surface smoothing. Featuring a hardened high-speed steel burnisher with a comfortable hardwood handle, it easily creates the perfect burr on your scraper edges. The 6 carbon steel scrapers, including rectangular, beveled, curved, and gooseneck designs, cover every woodworking angle, from flat panels to intricate shapes. Ideal for removing burn marks, dried glue, and saw lines, this tool ensures smooth, even wood surfaces without excessive sanding. Perfect for furniture restoration, shaping, and finishing projects, it's a must-have for every serious woodworker. Tough demolition jobs demand speed, control, and precision in every cut. The Hilti Nuron Reciprocating saw delivers faster, smoother, and more comfortable cutting performance powered by the advanced Nuron battery platform. Engineered for professionals, it slices through metal, wood, and nail-embedded materials effortlessly, providing higher cutting speed without sacrificing stability. With advanced vibration reduction and optimized balance, it offers up to 26% less vibration for superior comfort. The LED work light enhances visibility, while optional dust removal and cut assist attachments ensure cleaner, safer operation. Perfect for demolishing wood, trimming non-structural metal, or cutting plastics, this cordless powerhouse redefines productivity on the job site. Precision wood turning starts with control, comfort, and the right support. The Axminster wood-turning tool rest system delivers all that with its interchangeable stainless steel design built for versatility and durability. Featuring S-shaped and traditional rests in multiple lengths, 100mm, 150mm, 200mm, 150mm, and 300mm, it adapts easily for bowls, vases, and hollow forms, giving perfect access to every project. The round bar design ensures smooth tool movement, while mix-and-match posts and collars allow quick setup between lathes. Built in the UK from rust-resistant stainless steel, it promises long-lasting performance and effortless precision. Ideal for professional or hobbyist woodturners, this system enhances turning accuracy, flexibility, and control in every workshop. When precision and versatility meet, every cut becomes effortless and accurate. The DOVAMAN sliding miter saw is built for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who demand power, control, and flexibility. Featuring multi-material cutting with 3 TCT blades and dual speed settings, 4,500 and 3,200 RPM, it handles wood, PVC, and soft metals with ease. The 13-inch sliding rail and extendable side tables provide an expanded cutting range up to 4 by 13 inches, perfect for larger projects. With laser-guided precision, an ambidextrous ergonomic design, and a 15-amp pure copper motor, this miter saw ensures smoother, cleaner, and faster cuts every time. Ideal for bevel cutting, 0 to 45 degrees, and fine woodworking or metal trimming projects. When glue-ups get messy and panels refuse to stay flat, precision and control become essential. The Woodpeckers Clampzilla is an ultimate 4-way panel clamp engineered for perfect glue-ups on cabinet doors, tabletops, and wood panels. Its self-centering scissors joint applies balanced lateral and vertical pressure, ensuring flatter, truer panels every time. Designed with dual bars on both sides of your stock, it aligns and stabilizes warped boards effortlessly. The powerful screw mechanism pulls edges tight while flattening twists, giving professional results without complex setups. Ideal for panel assembly, cabinetry, and fine woodworking projects, the Clampzilla delivers unmatched strength, precision, and simplicity for flawless results in every glue-up. When precise, strong, and fast joints are needed, efficiency in drilling and screwing is essential. The Kreg KDRV-FLIP simplifies woodworking by allowing you to drill a pilot hole and counterbore in one step, then drive the screw with the same dual-action bit. Compatible with drills and impact drivers, it features a double-ended insert. One end drills the pilot hole with a flat-bottom counterbore, and the other drives the screw with a square drive to prevent slipping. The adjustable depth ensures a perfect fit for Kreg screws, creating recessed, strong joints. Ideal for face-joining corners, pocket holes, and furniture assembly, it delivers speed, accuracy, and durability for any woodworking project. Accurate measurement is crucial for fast, precise stair and shelf installation. The WONDERFUL.LIGHT Jig Shelf Gauge is a versatile staircase and shelf measuring tool that simplifies layout and cutting for treads, risers, shelves, and drywall applications. With adjustable length, angle, and height, it fits a variety of projects, allowing users to measure and mark accurately without a tape measure, saving time and reducing errors. The tool features 4 locking knobs for secure adjustments and is constructed from high-quality stainless steel and anodized aluminum, ensuring durability, corrosion resistance, and portability. Ideal for stair installers, carpenters, and DIY enthusiasts, it delivers precision, efficiency, and reliability for every project. Precise and clean joinery is a must for professional woodworking and furniture making. The Ecarke cordless biscuit joiner delivers cordless convenience with Makita 18-volt battery compatibility, allowing you to work anywhere without cords. Its 11,000 RPM motor provides fast, precise cuts, while the quick-access blade port with 2 side screws ensures easy blade changes and low-maintenance operation. Featuring 0 to 90-degree angle adjustment and 6 depth settings, it handles simplex, duplex, and max joints with ease. The fixed fence with auxiliary module enhances cutting accuracy, and the kit includes 80 wafers and a dust bag for clean workspaces, making it perfect for woodworking, furniture assembly, and repair projects. Accurate measurement and layout are essential for precision in woodworking, metalworking, and carpentry. The PEC Tools Combination Square Set features a 4R 12-inch machinist blade with a cast steel head and reversible locking bolt, making it reliable for professional use. Its precision 4R scale system provides 8ths, 16ths, 32nds, and 64ths graduations for ultra-accurate measurements. Crafted from hardened, tempered steel with satin chrome plating, it resists wear and corrosion for long-lasting readability. Ideal for angle scribing, parallel marking, depth and height measurements, layout work, and precision inspection. This combination square set is a versatile tool for machinists, tool makers, carpenters, and engineers, demanding precision in every project. Precise joinery is essential for strong, professional-quality woodworking projects. The Kreg Mate Loose Tenon Jig makes mortise and tenon joinery possible using only a drill, saving time while creating versatile joints with unmatched strength. Its portable workstation supports workpieces and easily secures to any bench using trigger-style clamps. The jig features an auto-indexing step-down mechanism, micro-adjustment screws, and a precision 6mm carbide-tipped mortising cutter, allowing customizable mortise sizing and tenon fit for boards 1/2 inch to 1 and 1/2 inches thick. Additional benefits include dust collection vacuum attachment compatibility, anodized aluminum and stainless steel construction, and laser-etched markings, making this a premium, durable, and precise woodworking drill jig. Keeping your essential drill and screwdriver bits organized is crucial for any DIYer or professional. The Rockler Keychain bit holder is a 5-pack of 1/4 inch hex shank quick-release bit holders designed for nut drivers, screwdrivers, and drill bits. Its compact design with a carabiner allows you to carry your bits easily on the job, while one-hand operation lets you click bits in and go without hassle. Made from heavy-duty metal, these bit holders are durable and built to last, providing convenient storage and quick access to your most critical bits. Perfect for on-the-go professionals, DIY projects, and efficient bit organization. Accurately measuring and cutting trim around windows and doors is essential for a professional finish. The Milescraft Trim Carpentry Aid simplifies this process, offering a reveal gauge adjustable from 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch, allowing precise alignment of horizontal and vertical marks for casings and jambs. Its front and back edges provide accurate marking on all 4 corners, while built-in tape measure slots and magnets hold measurements securely. The tool also features a 45-degree miter guide with a trim plate to ensure perfect angled cuts for trim pieces. Ideal for carpentry, window and door installations, precise trim marking, and professional woodworking projects. Precision in marking and measuring is critical for woodworking, metalworking, or leatherworking projects. The Ally Tools Wing Divider is a versatile scribing tool featuring adjustable wings and a pencil holder, allowing accurate circles, arcs, and straight lines. Each divider includes 2 half pencils and a small aluminum sharpener, ready for immediate use. Its hard carbon steel needle tips provide firm, slip-resistant engraving, ensuring repeatable measurements without constantly using a ruler or tape measure. Users can adjust the length via a wing nut or a sliding speed nut and check the dimensions with a measuring tape. Perfect for woodworking, carpentry, metalworking, leather projects, precise layout, and repeatable scribing tasks. Achieving precise 90-degree corners is essential for clean, professional woodworking projects. The Pony Corner Clamp is a versatile, light-duty, single-handle woodworking clamp designed to hold boards at right angles for corner and T-joint assembly. It fits boards 3/16 inch to 7/8 inch thick and features a strong, flexible spring that maintains holding power for up to 72 hours. Crafted from reinforced nylon, it ensures durability and consistent performance. Its adjustable jaws and single-handed operation make alignment, screwing, and gluing effortless. Perfect for woodworking, DIY projects, cabinets, picture frames, boxes, bookshelves, and drawers. This corner clamp simplifies accurate assembly while saving time and effort. Accurate layout and precise angle marking are crucial for framing, roofing, and general carpentry work. The Johnson Level Mach 1 Square is a smart mark rafter square with a built-in level vial, designed to streamline marking, scribing, and cutting. Its innovative Smart Mark cutout allows faster, easier, and more accurate marks at critical dimensions, while laser-etched Easy Red markings, scribe notches in 1/8 inch increments, and slots for common angles enhance precision. The built-in level vial with 320-degree visibility indicates level and plumb, replacing a torpedo level in many applications. With a 1-inch wide heel, matte black anodized coating, and lightweight design, it's ideal for roofing, carpentry, framing, and layout work. Achieving perfectly aligned drawer fronts quickly and accurately is essential for professional cabinetry and woodworking. The Rockler drawer front clamps are right and left steel and plastic front clamps designed to hold drawer fronts firmly in place during installation. With dual clamp heads and micro-adjustable stops, they ensure perfect alignment every time. The thin frame profile allows you to close the drawer while clamps remain on, making verification easy, and light clamping pressure simplifies use. Ideal for drawer or cabinet installation, these handy clamps speed up your workflow and are perfect for carpenters, cabinet makers, and woodworking enthusiasts seeking efficient, precise assembly. Precision and efficiency are key when making quick, accurate woodcuts for DIY projects or professional work. The Laxia Mini Circular Saw is a 4-amp, 3,500 RPM corded circular saw designed for compact, portable, and precise cutting. Equipped with two 4 1/2 inch 24-tooth TCT blades, a laser guide, and a rip guide, it ensures straight, accurate cuts every time. Weighing only 5.5 pounds, the mini saw reduces fatigue and offers excellent maneuverability. Its soft rubber handle provides comfort during one-handed operation, and the vacuum adapter keeps the workspace clean. Ideal for woodworking, DIY projects, and professional carpentry, it delivers power, safety, and precision in a portable design. There you have it, 20 must-have tools for beginner woodworkers. These woodworking tools for beginners are your foundation for any project. From power tools to essential hand tools, these beginner woodworking tools will serve you for years. Which tools for beginners are you adding to your workshop first? Drop a comment below. If this guide helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to DIY Tools and Equipment for more tool reviews. Check out our other videos on beginner woodworking and power tools. Links to everything are in the description.